Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. I'm Mr. People, me lie down, I'm Mr. Teen, and something just come to me like that, alright? So anyhow, we're gonna make some sweet potato carrot punch. Rastaman strong back, alright? That's part one, okay? And part two, we're gonna make some pumpkin sweet potato punch. You can use any one of the pumpkin, squash, pumpkin, whichever one, alright? So that's part two. I have some water and I'm going to put one cinnamon stick. So we put in one cinnamon stick to that. And we're going to peel all of these. I have my two huge carrots here. And I cut my sweet potato. You can use any one of the sweet potato. You can use the one we have in Canada, or you can use the Jamaican one. It doesn't matter, okay? Them sweet, but the Jamaican one a little bit sweeter, okay? All right, I'm gonna cut up this and then I'm gonna put them to boil. And I'm gonna put them over here. Once it cools, we're gonna use the water and everything, all right? I'm gonna let these boil for about 15 minutes so they can soften up a little bit. They don't have to be totally soft, but just enough to blend and to make a puree. All right, we're just gonna let this come to a boil and then I'll come back. This is it simmering, guys. Yes, another 10 minutes and we're gonna let it cool down. All right, my peeps, I'm back and we're gonna blend this bad boy. Now my peeps, I'm gonna blend them in small amount because the big blender, this Hamilton Beach, in our refine me thing how I want it. So we're gonna blend up it and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna add all the goodness over there, okay? So first I'm gonna put my half cup of oats. You can put a cup if you want. And I'm gonna blend a little bit at a time. Some of the carrots, some of the sweet potato. Here in Canada they call it yam. I think that's good. And we want to pour some of the juice. Gonna blend this away. It thick already, guys. Start thick up on me, so pour a little bit more of the juice. And we're just gonna pour it out here. All right, with the last batch I have some pumpkin seed. All right, if my blender was really big I would just put everything one time. I'm gonna put like two teaspoons. You can put more or less. I will leave a link for this one. This one is a superfood, raw, vegan, gluten-free. All right, just gonna blend again. All right, and we're gonna mix up everything. It's super thick. You have to add water when you're blending it, okay? Oh my god, it's a lot. Look how thick it is. Oh my goodness. So you want to mix it up. You see how thick it is, guys? Oh my goodness. All right, now we're gonna put some dragon. You can put one bottle. I have about 3/4 bottle here. I'm gonna pour that in. I'm not gonna put no cinnamon because I put the cinnamon stick. However, I'm gonna put half teaspoon of nutmeg. You can put 1/4 if you want. Half teaspoon mixed essence, or a teaspoon. About half teaspoon almond extract, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. All right, I'm gonna go in with some soy. You can put almond. I'm gonna add about 2 cups. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of condensed milk. All right, you can just add some honey if you don't like the milk in it, optional. All right, I'm gonna put about 1/3 cup, something like that, and that's it. Just mix this up, guys. Mix it away. And we're gonna serve this over some crushed ice. Oh, it smells so good. If you want, you can tip a tablespoon of rum in there too, but this is okay. All right, I'm gonna serve it up with some ice. I think that's good. This is my carrot sweet potato strongback, yeah, Jamaican style. All right, guys, this is it. This is gonna build your immune system. Yeah, meal replacement by itself here, guys. Superfood. All right, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye, guys.